नमस्कार. आपण सगळ्यांनी आपल्या घरी कोणा ना कोणाला तरी तांब्याच्या भांड्यातलं पाणी पिताना नक्कीच पाहिलं असेल. Usually our grandparents insist on it, right? But in the age of UV filters, RO systems, and alkaline water machines, is storing water in a metal pot just an old habit, or is there a hidden laboratory inside that vessel? आज आपण तांब्याच्या भांड्यामागचं अंधश्रद्धा नव्हे तर अस्सल विज्ञान उलगडणार आहोत. Today we decode the science of Tamrajal and why the world is suddenly looking back at our ancient Indian wisdom. सर्वात आधी हे समजून घेऊया की तांब नक्की करतं काय. When you store water in copper vessel for about 8 to 12 hours, a biological phenomena occurs called the oligodynamic effect. Now don't get confused by the big word. सोप्या भाषेत सांगायचं झालं तर copper ions have a natural ability to destroy the DNA of harmful microbes. Scientific studies, including those from the NIH, have shown that copper can kill E. coli, Salmonella, and even Vibrio cholerae, those nasty bacteria that cause food poisoning and diarrhea. तांब हे जगातील पहिलं नैसर्गिक अँटीबॅक्टेरियल साधन आहे. Unlike your plastic bottles, copper doesn't just hold water, it actively cleanses it by disrupting the cell walls of bacteria. It's a 24/7 filter that requires no electricity. But science goes deeper. Have you heard about the alkaline water trend? People are spending lakhs on machines for it. Here is the logic. तांब्याच्या भांड्यात पाणी साठवल्यामुळे पाण्याचा pH लेव्हल संतुलित होतो. Water stored in copper becomes naturally alkaline. Why does that matter? Because our modern diet is highly acidic. Junk food, tea, coffee, and stress create acidity in our bodies. Alkaline water helps neutralize this, reducing inflammation and improving our gut health. त्याशिवाय तांब हे आपल्या मेलनिन उत्पादनासाठी आणि आयर्न शोषून घेण्यासाठी अत्यंत आवश्यक असतं. If you're struggling with low hemoglobin or skin issues, this isn't just a ritual, it's a mineral supplement for you. It helps in production of new cells that keep your skin glowing. This is the real beauty with health tip. Now let's talk about your brain. Copper is a cofactor for synthesis of phospholipids. These are essential for the myelin sheath, the protective covering of your nerves. सोप्या भाषेत सांगायचं झालं तर तुमचं शरीर कॉपर सक्षम असेल तर तुमच्या मेंदूचे सिग्नल जास्त वेगाने प्रवास करतात. इट लिटरली मेक्स यू थिंक फास्टर. And for the heart, copper helps in dilating blood vessels and preventing the accumulation of plaque in your arteries. तांब हे तुमच्या हृदयाचं संरक्षण कवच आहे. It regulates blood pressure and heart rate. It's like a system update for your cardiovascular health every single morning. But wait, प्रत्येक गोष्टीचे काही नियम असतात. Everything that is healthy must be used correctly. First, the 8-hour rule. You must store it for at least 8 hours to get the benefits. नुसतं तांब्याच्या पेल्यातून पाणी प्यायल्याने काहीच फायदा होत नाही. 8 hours is a must have. Second, never put acidic liquids. तांब्याच्या भांड्यात कधीही लिंबू पाणी, ताक किंवा संत्र्याचा रस टाकू नका. Acid reacts with copper and cause toxicity. Only plain water. Third, cleaning. जर भांडं आतून काळं पडलं असेल तर त्याचे गुणधर्म कमी होतात. Use lemon and salt or tamarind, that is चिंच, to keep it shining. आरोग्यासाठी स्वच्छताही हवीच. Our ancestors didn't have degrees in microbiology, but they had a deep understanding of how our nature works with human body. आपली संस्कृती हा विज्ञानाचा पाया आहे. So tomorrow morning, when you drink that first glass of Tamrajal, remember, You aren't just following a tradition, you're giving your body a biological advantage. जर तुम्हाला हे लॉजिक आवडलं असेल तर खाली कमेंट्समध्ये नक्की सांगा. आपण आपल्या घराला प्लास्टिक मुक्त आणि आरोग्ययुक्त बनवूया. Stay tuned for more such stories where we bridge parampara and Vignan. Thank you.